If you encounter an invalid card number error on Cash App, it typically indicates an issue with the card information you've entered. Here's how you can troubleshoot and potentially fix it. Double check card information. Ensure that you've entered the card number correctly, including the full 16 digits without any spaces or dashes. Verify card type. Make sure you're using a supported card type. Cash App typically accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover cards. Check card expiry date. Confirm that the expiry date you've entered for the card is accurate. Expired cards will not be accepted. Review CVV or CVC code. Verify that the CVV or CVC code you've entered matches the one associated with the card. Contact card issuer. If you've checked all the information and are still getting the error, contact your card issuer's customer service to ensure there are no issues with the card itself or any restrictions on online transactions. Try another card. If possible, try adding a different card to your Cash App account to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem lies with the specific card or account.